I just took this tension out of here. So normally what you do is you turn it till it stops. It should lock in position. It's obviously a set pre-tension from the factory, and then when you fitted it you just tap it and it comes out. My one's broken though. I've noticed that if you take it out you can actually increase the length that's sticking out, so I'm thinking maybe you can adjust the tension on that and make it more stronger. But anyway, these are well known to fail. Easy to replace, just 2 bolts, but be careful because the threads in here are easily damaged. It just puts tension on the timing chain guide there. So I'll go get a new one of them. Or I might try having a go at fixing this and setting the tension properly. But I think that's beyond repair though, so